Given fertiliser is at the heart of productivity and profitability, using digital tools to optimise fertiliser application just makes sense. Current prices of fertiliser make digital tools even more valuable by eliminating costly wastage through over or under spreading or doubling ups. If you do your own spreading, you'll already know what gear you like to work with, whether it's a tow behind, 3-point linkage bin, or a specialist kit that delivers fertiliser through a recycling tank like a tow-and-fert. That doesn't have to change. You can continue to utilise what you have and add additional technology that also guides the application through GPS, applies the correct amount of fertiliser and reports the application in real time. Display all the data on your devices so you always know exactly what has been done. You're not just faced with one solution. There are several to explore when it comes to monitoring your fertiliser application. Most are easy to integrate into your existing system, as you can mount a GPS screen to any towing vehicle. The base system is a tablet option that accurately measures your fertiliser application. It comes complete with map integration and records all the data. Tablet systems do not control the gear that is spreading the fertiliser. That's done by the controls on the bin and cost around $600. More advanced options are based on dedicated in-cab screens with GPS guidance. They offer machine control for compatible bins and generate proof of application files, and will set you back anywhere around $7,000 to $10,000. Fertiliser bin use belts and spinners to apply the fertiliser, and the technology that controls the hydraulics ensures that the product is applied at the right rate and the width to get the best results. Topcon, Trimble, John Deere and Ag Leader are common New Zealand brands that offer integrated screens and machine control for seamless operations between the cab and the driver. These brands offer both integrated systems without machine control and fully integrated systems. Unlike TrackMac, which partners with two main Kiwi suppliers, Whitehead and Transpeed, and uses a subscription model for its guidance and job maintenance solutions. Even entry-level guidance helps ensure the towing vehicle, like your quad bikes and your tractor, follow the optimum GPS track in each paddock. Adding auto steer technology to tractors improves accuracy and safety, reducing your workload at the same time. Heat maps based on recorded data from yield monitoring, soil mapping and satellite data can be used to generate variable rate application plans. And these are then electronically loaded into the GPS system, both for accurate guidance and for the variable machine control. That way you can use recorded data to apply products at variable rates according to soil fertility and crop nutrition demands. This also helps with reporting and compliance, as you are no longer having to work from estimates that are occasionally incomplete and always labour intensive. Given the importance and value of accuracy, using machine-generated data delivers audit quality, trustworthy data that you can base decisions on with confidence. If you're interested in an entry-level tablet without machine control, Precision Farming offers this with data linking automatically to its platform, which can be shared with other platforms like MyBalance. Mid-level guidance and machine control solutions are offered by the likes of Topcon, Trimble, Ag Leader and John Deere, with TrackMac offering mid-level guidance and job management with a machine control via a partner. If you're after a company that specialises in application technology for suspended liquid applications, contact tow-and-fert, and you can always reach out to local farmers to find out about their trusted solutions.